Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and guess what? I got another pair of Reeboks. So before I get into the review, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram. On behalf of myself, Jeff and Chris, I want to say thank you for all our subscribers. You guys are amazing, and we look forward to the new ones. Hopefully I've attracted you to hit that subscribe button. Watch our videos as well, like we do loads of trainer reviews, we do loads of like sneaker events as well. So hopefully you like us. But to you remaining guys, again, thank you, and hope you guys are well. Now let's get into the review. So as I mentioned, I got another pair of Reeboks, as you can tell by the box. And now this is the Reebok Classic. Now we've got the general release of the Club C85, and it is in the chalk green, white, red color, but it's not the like vintage ones. Now the vintage ones, they came in the Union Jack blue box. Like it has a big Union Jack on the lid. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get that. This is like a GR version. Unfortunately, this is a women's one, but the sizing is the same as any other. I mean, if I look at it, and I'll mention to you what sizes I've got. So I've got this in the UK size 7, it's European 40.5, and it's a US 9.5. Now we did the Reebok Shaqnosis, and that was a UK size 7, which equals a 40.5. So I went by that. I mean, those were a bit snug, but I want my trainers to be a bit snug because I know that this is a leather upper, which I'll get into, and it'll be easier to break. But as I mentioned, now this is a Club C85. It says women's on the box, but you know, you can wear whatever you want, man. This is 2020, and the sizing is what you want to go by. Don't go by like women's labels. You can wear whatever you want. With that said, let's get opening. So I am so pleased to get a pair. I mean, I've been wanting a pair since the vintage ones came out, and unfortunately those sold out quickly. Put that there. And right off the bat, look at it, it's minimalistic, classic silhouette. What more could you want? Let's put you here and here. So we'll start with the outsole. So it's a normal rubber outsole with the Reebok branding in the middle, going up on the midsole, chalk colorway, hence the chalk, and it's got the Reebok branding. As you go along the upper, it's a 100% leather upper, and it's very soft as well. It's got that off-white bone color. It was, as mentioned, chalk, but it says white in the description, but this is, I would say, like a more bone. It gives that vintage feel, like the original vintage one. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the Reebok branding in the insole like the OG one. But if I didn't know better, what I have in my hand is the OG Club C85, and the original coloring is green. So you got the green on the Reebok branding there. It's on the tongue with the classic logo as well, not the vectors. And you got the classic Reebok on the back tab as well, and perforations in the toe box area just for a little air. EVA insole, and it is so easy, simple. You got the vectors as well on the profile there, nice straight lacing. It's a classic. I mean, we're in summer right now. What more do you want? It's such a classic colorway. Unfortunately, I'm upset that I didn't get the OG pairs, because it will be, the inner is like a off-white padding inside, and it's got the Reebok logo in the inside as well. But as I mentioned, if you're a layman to sneakers, you wouldn't know the difference. I'm so happy I was able to get a pair. I'm so happy that it's summer. I'm going to be rocking these with shorts, and there's not much more I can say. I'm just really happy to get another pair of Reeboks. You know, Buck Boys for life. Can't wait for you guys to see what these look like on feet. So here we go. great fit, guys. It's a tiny bit snug, but because it's a leather upper, I'm sure I'll break it in. Honestly, so happy to add these to the collection. Got the workouts, need to see our levers, but the fact that I've got Club C85s, great pickup, and a steel as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on our Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.